Hello, yeah, my name is Karanam Sridhar. Today I am going to execute one scenario product cost by sales order. Yeah, product cost by sales order is a one technique under make to order scenario. Make to order scenario is nothing but based on the customer order we are going to manufacturing. Based on the customer order is nothing but a sale order. Based on the sales order, input material we will get, and based on the sales order, manufacturing process is going to prepare. That means here sales order to sales order, even same material, input material as well as a manufacturing process is a vary from sale order to sale order. This is a very complex scenarios normally if companies are following a product cost by sales order. Here in product cost by sales order, three scenarios available. One is the product cost by sales order without cost object, means without controlling object of a sale order. Nothing but just like a stopped with the production order settlement. They don't want to go further like sale order expenses and sale order settlement. That means this is just like a product cost by order scenario, but instead of a standard costing, sale order costing we will do. Second scenario, product cost by sales order with cost object. Nothing but additionally we have to do sale order some expenses booking to sale order. Further that sale order also we need to settle. That is the second thing. These two are called as a value-added oriented, means wherever the goods issue, goods receipt delivery, that time goods receipt and delivery time accounting entries will generate backend. But coming to this scenario, non-valued, this is a non-valuated scenario. Non-valuated means here there is no concept of a goods receipt as well as a delivery. Means expenses, raw material expenses, consumption expenses, or whatever it may be, activities confirmation, okay. But accounting treatment because of this is a non-valuated. These two are difference majorly is a valuated and non-valuated. Valuated again two combinations. One is the without cost object with cost object, and the second one is the non-valuated. This is 100% is the sale order cost object only. Because of production order settled to the sale order, that all expenses whatever we booked to production order such as material cost, activities cost, transfer to sale order, further sale order additional expenses and settled to the sale order settlement. This. Now today in this video I will explain this concept, sale order costing without valuated concept. Here observe carefully. Here in this scenario, first whatever it may be, make to order scenario is nothing but a sale order costing compulsory. There is no standard costing at all. Even material ledger implemented also, we should not do standard costing, we should do only sale order costing. And according to sales order oriented, we have to create a bill of material and routing process. That means here this is a make to order scenario. Based on the customer oriented only, we are going to manufacture BOM and routing. And the production order creation also with respect to sale order. How we are going to create a production order, on what basis, means customer quantity base, customer order base, we are going to start a manufacturing. And the second fourth point is a input material and output material also moving with respect to sale order only. Means input material means raw material, packing material, and activities confirmation, and goods receipt with respect to goods receipt with completely this going to the sale order only. And the fifth point, here after completion of all goods issue, goods receipt, then how it will hit to the COPA. Because normally till now we have seen that product costing, make to stock scenario, we will do standard costing. Standard costing, how it will do COPA, okay, we observe. But here we will not do standard costing. How this will go hit COPA? In this video we will see this concept. And material ledger. Here wherever I will do, then I will concentration majorly material ledger only. Here also make to order scenario, how this will impact to material ledger. Because of we are not doing a standard costing, sale order costing. But standard costing goods movement means make to stock scenario, material ledger, how it will behave. Make to order, how material ledger will behave. This I will explain after completion of this concept of standard this after that billing, then I will show you what is the material ledger CKM3 concept. Then here I added one more term, multiple valuations. Here we observed last video, earlier video I did multiple valuations with the transfer price, means legal valuation, group valuation, profit center valuation. This done by the based on the standard costing. CK11 and we will do legal valuation, group valuation, profit center valuation. But here there is no standard costing. This is because we are following a make to order. In make to order, even make to order we are following. How this impact multiple valuations in material ledger. First point is how integrated material ledger, and second is the this multiple valuations. These two are very important, and a lot of complicated also backend, a lot of configurations are there. But today I will try to execute easy access oriented. Later another session I will put this complete configuration, PP, SD, FI and CO side, all configuration I will make a video. I will do this one because of it took a lot of time to do configuration to get the output. Definitely sure I will prepare one video of all configuration for this oriented settings. Definitely I will use. Now let's go for settings. Now first we will create a finished product. Yes, -FG100. Just we will make it mechanical engineering finished product. Enter. KSR plant, all KSR only identity. Storage location, sales organization and a distribution channel. Here KSR FG MTO first scenario, and the unit of measurement is the each unit, and give some gross weight and net weight 10 and 9. Enter. Here this is the I took country, IS is the island, means we will take any country, that is not a problem. Based on the configuration only output will come 0, and general item category group item category group. Enter. Here availability check KP, under transportation group just give anyone, under loading group this one manual. Enter. Here MRP type of this is a planning PD, and MRP controller will come simultaneously. Lot size. Here procurement type, this is a purely manufacturing. Enter. And the schedule margin key, because of these are backend PP settings. Here strategy group, here we have to give this one. KS I did a make to order scenario. I configured. This we will give. Enter. Enter. That means here this strategy group wise we will do make to order scenario. One more scenarios also is there. This in the sale order item category group wise also we can do product cost by sales order. That I will cover later. This product cost by sales order, if it is a category group, means say SD people is a more interact with us. If it is a strategy group wise, means PP people who will interact with PP people majorly. That means here product cost by scenario is not a single concept. Product cost by scenario three concept, but strategy group wise we can do product cost by scenario, product cost by sale order, and item category group wise also we can do product cost by sales order. That means here finally product cost by sales order 6 scenarios are available. You people believe till now I have seen 23 product costing scenarios in my tenure of a journey of a product costing scenarios, and 9 material ledger scenarios I have seen, and practically I have seen, not theoretically. That means here still day to day keep on increasing, like ETO scenario, engineer to order scenario, assemble to order scenarios are there, but I didn't involve. Only make to stock, make to order scenario. Till now I have seen 23 product costing and 8 material ledger scenarios. Keep on one by one. I will make a video and send it to. You see, I will put in the YouTube. So it will take time. That is no problem. But I will do definitely. Will put in YouTube. That means here finally I am saying product cost by sales order scenario itself is a 6 scenarios. 3 for MM, this 3 for SD point of view, and 3 for PP point of view. SD point of view means pure item category wise, and PP point of view pure strategy group wise. That's it. Okay, now I will make a video. This is a strategy group wise. I will do now. Enter. Work scheduling. Production supervisor. Enter. Here, important point. We should not give any rate when material followed by a product costing scenario, product cost by sale order scenario, because this material is not for single customer. This depends upon the multiple customer based on their requirement. So if we put to sale order here, then rate will go for all persons at the time of a delivery. That's why we should not put standard price in the material master, and we should not do standard costing. And that's why I am not giving any rate here. And profit center, give profit center FG. Material origin. Enter. Enter. Material got created. Now normally after creating a material, we are going to create a bill of material as well as a routing. Before going to bill of material and routing, first we have to create a sale order. Sale order configured OR is standard. With this is sales area, sales organization, distribution channel, division, KSR, KS. Customer also KSR, and the delivering plant is like this one. And just what we created KSR FG hyphen some material code. That material code just now what we created. MM03 is 100. Enter. Now just 10. Enter. Edit in completion log. Document is complete. Now save. Now this sale order got created. We will know that, otherwise we will forget. 20173. Here, this sale order, based on this sale order, we will create a bill of material. Bill of material creation with respect to sale order means CS61. Sale order item, material, BOM is the production. Item category L, and the component, raw material as well as a pack material. Similar kind of BOM, but here there is the sale order oriented BOM. Means this is a order BOM you have to create. Save. Similarly, routing also CA01. Here sale order 20173 and material plant. Enter. Usage, status for operations, and PP or ZP01. This is also I did. Double click here, just 5 hours, 4 hours, and 3 kilowatts. And now after BOM and routing with respect to sale order, again go back to sale order change 20173. Here double click on material, extras. See here, before that conditions, we didn't do standard costing, we didn't do sale order costing. That's why here I did price difference pricing procedure I configured. So here VPR standard costing is at 0. So here completely 0. One more will come, EK02, extras costing. Sale order costing, this is sale order, this is the item, material, plant, and backend based on the configuration. PPC4 is a costing variant. Enter. This one. This is the material, raw material, packing, and routing. And we will check whether it is a sale order BOM or a different BOM. Go to quantity structure, double click on BOM. This one. Just now what we created a sale order BOM. Now if it is a green status came, then save. That means here costing lot size is 10 quantity, then cost estimated stored in buffer. Again we have to save. Then go and check, so enter, double click on material, conditions. See here. Here this is coming from material master by doing a standard costing, but we didn't do standard costing. But this is sale order costing. Sale order costing came 8559, and I will give some rate PR00, some 10,000 for getting a 1,450 revenue. If it is data is okay, save. Now sale order got created. Now after that we have to go create a production order. Production order with respect to earlier we are creating a production order by CO01. Production order created. Now we are going to create a make to order scenario by CO08. This is a sale order. Material is optional, anyway it will come automatically. Production plant and PP01, enter. See, this quantity I didn't enter, automatically came. And the sale order also came here, sale order quantity. Then this is a customer. Means the sale order based only, this quantity also automatic came. This quantity also. Calculate. If it is a okay, cost determined, then release, save. Then this also will note down. 600 again 06118. This one. Now for this order we will send goods issue, confirmation, goods receipt. But before that we need a stock of raw material as well as packing material, sale order oriented only. This means I made it some stock, but we need to putting into this particular sale order stock. For that I will do one, we go transfer posting order. Here 413 is the movement type, transfer from normal to sale order. So material packing, first raw material and plant, storage location. Here destination, same material, just putting putting this normal to sale order stock. This is storage location, and here sale order. Sale order is a 20173. Just now what created. Here quantity. Just I will make a 30 quantity. Material quantity. Raw material. Then quantity 30 quantity. This is the first material. And the next entry KSR pack material. And here back PSK plant KSR, storage location KSR, and here this also make a some 30 quantity. Here sale order, enter material quantity 30, then check does not exist, means this one. Here we can give this, enter, and the next one. This also done. Check, save. Now we made it into normal to sale order. Now CO11 consumption. What is the production order? 6000 6118. Enter. 10 quantity. This much of machine, labor, power we made. Just for difference purpose, for production variance purpose, we gave just 43. And goods movement. See here. Raw material, pack material 261E came, and goods receipt FG material 101E with customer automatically came because of a make to order scenario. Storage location give all for this one, enter, save. See here 3 goods movement activity confirmation done. Now go and check this production order. This order, enter, go to cost analysis, this one, MTO. Here goods issue with respect to sale order, activities confirmation, this one. We double click on this, we can check whether this with respect to sale order or not. See this sale order came. So movement type 101 is sale order came. And this raw material 261 consumption sale order, and pack material 261 sale order. Everything with respect to sale order only. Now okay, goods movement came. Now go and check this delivery VL01M. Order, date, enter. Here delivery quantity, picked quantity 10, save. Delivery done. This one. Again change, enter, PGA. Document saved. Then here we can check that document. COGS account debit, see here, respected to CU601E. Accounting document, cost of goods sold account debit to inventory with respect to sale order. See sale order. Now with respect to delivery billing, VF01. This is a delivery document, save, change, release to accounting. Document already processed accounting. Okay, click on this accounting document. Customer account debit to sales. Back. Here COPA. I told you, no? Standard costing to COPA till now we have seen, but sale order costing to sales order costing to how COPA means till now we didn't do anything. In Material Master, if you want, you can check MM03. There is no material rate, even group valuation, legal valuation, profit center valuation. See this here, completely zero, but cost here, standard cost came based on this. See this SC means if it is a standard costing, otherwise sale order costing. I made it for identification. AC is nothing but actual costing. That is a material ledger. After the material ledger it will come. Okay, that means here this is the standard costing, this is sale order costing. That means here COPA got updated based on the sale order costing. That means backend lot of configurations based on that. This is okay. Go and check also KE24. Then this final costing is this one with two currency, company code currency and operating concern currency. Now you say okay, everything is okay. Then variance calculation of that production order. 61108, 7th month 202, remote test run and execute. Here normally target cost is the based on the standard cost only, target cost will come. But here there is no standard costing, purely sale order costing. Even though target cost came because of a sale order costing backend configuration. Later I will show you. I will make a video and I'll send it to you. Based on the target cost, this variance is came. That means here CO03. We will go and check CO03 What is the difference between 85,000 plus 6,260 minus this one? It's 25.79. This is the 25 point. Even though there is no standard cost. And KO88 is the settlement. And order, period, remote test run, and execute. And accounting document. Here, price difference account debit to cost of goods manufactured or change in stock or factory cost, whatever. This way, each product cost by scenario, everything goes to sale order. Now coming to the material ledger. Now till now what we did all these things, but in material master nothing will appear. Nothing will appear here. Even we'll go and come back also, nothing will appear. Because we are following a product cost by sale order, not a standard cost, not a repetitive manufacturing cost. Now where it will update, how we can get actual cost, means here we can this material, see this normally material, plant and period we will not get anything because of this is a completely followed by a sale order. Give sale order, click on here, give sales document here. This is our sales document, and then only data will come here. If there is no sale order, if you are not giving a sale order on hand, no data will come. If it is sale order, then only order will come. And then goods receipt, then goods sales order, goods receipt, and sale order settlement also. This production order settlement also, back end this one. And production input also this one. Okay, it's our packing material and raw material with respect to sale order only we can see. Means here in product cost by sale order scenario, this is the first impact of material ledger. Without sale order stock, we will not get any data. Here if you are not giving this all integer, because of this is the back end, one sale order is there. If multiple sales order, multiple data will come here. This is the point. And the second point is multiple valuation of a material ledger. This I didn't cover of a transfer price here concept, but I implemented multiple valuations. Here company code currency means this rate is coming. This 8559. If group valuation means 53 0.7k. In profit center valuation, again profits this one is there. But till now we didn't do any legal valuation, group valuation and profit center valuation. In standard costing, we observed CK11 and 3 times I did. One for legal valuation, second for group valuation and profit center valuation. That will go rate updated in these boxes. But here I didn't do any legal valuation, group valuation, profit center valuation. I did do only sale order cost. Even though how this multiple valuations came. This is the most important. This point, this will cover in data session. That means here the majorly part is the everything is the sale order. Even BOM also will create a sale order. Routing also will create a sale order. Goods issue, confirmation, goods receipt, variance and settlement, and then how this sale order transfer to the COPA. Point number 2, ML, material ledger. Without sale order, we will not get anything because of we did all completely movement is the sale order only. Plus multiple valuation. If companies are followed a multiple valuation within ledger, then how it will impact? Even though we didn't do any costing, means legal valuation, group valuation, and profit center valuation. This is the important point of in this concept. This I cover this point. Later remaining two scenarios also I will make a one video on it. But backend for this a lot of configuration for every module means SD, MM, PP, F5 and CO. All 4-5 modules are implemented, then only this data output came. No, that is not a big matter. You people also can do no issue. Okay, hope understood now this concept. We'll see in the next video. Yep, this second scenario or further scenarios, whatever. We'll see. Thank you. Bye.